Hi, this is the showcase for the turbograss. So I have a very simple plane, nothing in here. And I'm gonna just merge the turbograss file. So I'm gonna put it over here. So this is the preset for the large grass. I'm gonna erase the original geometry so we can attach our new plane. This plane we can erase, and that's it. That's really it. And let's see how it renders. So you have a great looking grass with 3 clicks, and we can force the Intel. If you want to change the type of grass that you're seeing, it's very easy. Just select one of the clumps. So you have the material. We are using the medium preset, so I'm gonna stop this here. Sorry. And just in the geometry tab for the forest, you can instance that material, and that will make the changes appear in the render. So we just select other type of material in this selector, and it will work. So you have great looking grass from a variation of presets, and it's super easy to use. So thank you.